Today, a film crew arrived at Brooksby Melton College to film Foley sound designer Jack Potters.
All done. Cheers. That's all done for you.
In other news, there has been another teacher
Bloody news. I hate the news. Jack, I'm just gonna get my stuff together. Right, keys, mic, batteries. Forgot the batteries. Lifesavers these are.
Turn it down a bit.
Let's take a walk on the river. Here. Nice.
Oi, oi.
David, look, there's someone on the bridge.
Let's not worry about that.
He's staring right at us.
I'm not a perv or anything, honest.
Who cares?
I care.
Let's see.
I don't want to stay here anymore. Let's go.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
I don't know.
What, is he a peeping Tom or something?
My name's not even Tom.
Who cares? Come on, let's walk down there.
It's probably a bull trout. Got it. I don't like dogs. Oh no. Oh no, please no. Oh, I can't get fixed. No, no dogs. I'm allergic to dogs. Got it.